midnight. Could go out one night. I'll show you a good time. Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me freak you. Keep this between me.
Hi everyone, so today I have a video for you guys. Actually, we're gonna go back in time. So from the video that's today's, so we're actually gonna go back in time right now to today, right now. This is the current situation, but this is part of my birthday video, guys, which is tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's my birthday, guys, so we're celebrating it today with my family. But tomorrow I'm gonna do something exciting for you guys, which you guys probably already know by the thumbnail or the title. You guys already know what's going on. But yeah, so we're jumping back into today because I got this right here. And I'm really excited to try these on, guys. So basically it comes in a package like these, like this. And it's some contact lenses, guys. So we're going to see how they freaking look on me and how I freaking rock with them. So the company is Iris Beauty. It comes in this like box right there. So that is the box right there, guys. And the box is already really cute. That's what I think. They also have like an eyebrow pencil and stuff like that. But today I'm going to be showing you guys basically how to put on freaking contact lenses with your freaking nails that are long or with already a full face of makeup on. Because you should, I think you should put it, actually no, you're supposed to put it after makeup. But I put these spider lashes on and I actually think that you should put it like after you put the contact lenses, the lashes. So then it just comes in a kit like this, guys. So this is how the kit comes in. So it has these right here, your little container for the contact lenses. And then here are the contacts, guys. I'm so freaking excited. So yeah, you guys know it's like a really, really big day today. What about if I open the blinds? I think that will look way better. Alright, I think that looks way better. I knew something was off, guys. It was the blinds. I forgot to open them. But yeah. So I have my container here, guys. It comes with some instructions. Okay, so I have my 2 contact lenses here. I need to make sure my hands are clean, so I do have to go ahead and go clean them right now before I put these on. But yeah, let me see.
One eternity later.
I'm just opening the containers right now. That's pretty much it. Let's go wash our hands. Alright, guys, so I have the first one right here. You guys can see it. Got the first one right there. You just have to wait till it dries out a little bit. Alright, so this one is going in my right eye. I am using the actual camera as my mirror for this. There goes one of them in, guys. It wasn't that hard. I hope that you guys saw like how it all went down. Now it's time for the other eye. Next little gem right here. Wow, they look a lot more. These remind me of like kind of vampire kind of eyes and stuff. Do you guys like them on me, by the way? So this is with it. This is without. Oh my gosh, I really love them. I feel like they just freaking look so nice. Comment down below. Let me know if you like them. Right, let's put this one right here.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh, I actually got it on like that. What the heck?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm crying with this side. I don't know if it's on the right way. This side hurts. I think I put it on the wrong way. I'm gonna need to take it off.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh hell no!
I'm crying with that one. I think it was inside out. That's why it hurts me so damn much. Gotta try this again with the other side. We'll see if it's just this one doesn't like me or what. Alright, I think it's the right side now. It doesn't hurt. Alright, we have them both on. I just have to let my eyes cool down because it looks like my eyes are watering. So these are the contacts right here, guys. I got these in the shade Glam Gray. So in case you guys want this shade, I will leave the link down below for you guys. If you guys use my link as well, it will help me out so much, guys. And I would just really highly appreciate it. I don't think I'm making anything from it, but they just know that I kind of referred you guys for the contacts. So it would just mean a lot to me if you guys do use my code. But yeah, everything will be down below for you guys. I hope you guys like this little bit of the video and that you guys like how the contacts look on me. I also will have an Instagram picture go out, so make sure you guys go and like that picture, go double tap, go comment on it that you saw my YouTube video. You're like, ooh, I found your picture, and I'm running out of breath. But yeah, guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and continue on with the rest of the video. I was gonna do also a haul today, but there is no time to do that, but it will be coming up. I have a lot of videos for you guys. Also, guys, giveaway time. So there is a giveaway today, guys. If you guys want to win a huge makeup bundle, you guys want to win a makeup bundle, basically a full face of, it might be missing one or two things, maybe the spray at the end, the finishing spray, or anything like that. It might be missing 2 to 3 items, guys, but I tried to just include like a full face. So if you guys want to win that makeup bundle, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys share this video. You have to have your post notifications on as well and be following me on Instagram. Other than that, if you have all of those things already, guys, make sure you guys comment down below and you're entered to win the makeup bundle. And that's it, guys. And even if you guys don't want to be included in the giveaway, make sure you guys please like this video anyway. If you guys are part of my family right here on YouTube, it would just mean a lot to me as well. Like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the post notifications, because all 2019, summer 2019, I'm coming out with banger after banger after banger, okay? Just know that, guys. I love you guys so much, and sorry I just was so out of breath right now, guys. We're about to go to a vegan food festival, then come back home to this freaking buffet that I have, vegan buffet, because I am vegan, and it's my birthday, so we're gonna have vegan food.
want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks, just drop it. I see it, I like it. I want it, I got it. There ain't no ring, need a song. They say which one I say now. I want all them. Happiness is the same price as red bottoms. My smile is gleaming, my skin is gleaming. The way it shine, I know you see it. I bought a crib just for yeah, I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks, just drop it. I see it, I like it. I want it, I got it. My receipts be looking like phone numbers. If it ain't money, then wrong number. Black card is my business. Black card is my business. Love the way it be setting the tone for me. I don't need a brag, but I be like, put it in the bag, yeah. When you see the max, they stack up like my ass, yeah. Go from the top to the booth, take it up like you want loot. Give me the loot, tell them I got the juice. Nothing but never we shoot. Look at my neck, ain't got enough money to pay me respect. Ain't no budget when I'm on the set. If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah, I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks, just drop it.
Follow me. Chicago. Follow me. Chicago and them. Don Juan and them. Y'all.
Like this.
Birthday tonight somewhere, and I know somebody. And go out and champagne somewhere.
I hope that this ain't a fairy tale. I wanna lick on your motherfucking skin, cause that shit be tasting like caramel. Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. Ha, you looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make
My cousin's birthday.
I see you.
Oh no.
It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to try. My shit is all boys, so they got my shit is all boys, so they
Rockstar.
like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star.
I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break it down, speed it up, then slow that down on the cat, slow it down, bust it down, bust it down on the cat, bust down, Tatiana.
Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores.
When they push a bitch wood, I don't wanna argue about it, baby, I ain't good. If she got a band, let her in, yeah, she good. I ain't gotta worry about shit, money good. Throw up where I'm from, let them know I'm still hood.
When me call up on them, you show up in them the shot toss.
What is that?
When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
I said we should have a date there at the limousine store. I'm kinda scared how to be, I'm like a wizard boy, but I'm a boss bitch. Who you gonna leave me for? Got no class, you bitches is broke still. I be talking cash shit while I'm popping my gold.
Close that door, we blowing smoke. She asked me light a fire, like I'm on song.
Once you pop, lock it for me, girl. Get my girl, let me show. Once you pop, oh. Yeah, play you wanna feel that, ain't it? Yeah, and it's the money, yeah, on that money, yeah. Got birds in the money, yeah, about 100, yeah. Girl, you play you wanna feel.
Oh my gosh, I don't know. If you guys want to win a huge makeup bundle, make sure you guys go ahead.
Rocking this shit, yeah, I'm cashing it out. Smoking big ganja, yeah, you know what it's about. All these niggas dick riding just for the clout. Motherfuckers really hating, but